I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring the basics are met. You have admin rights and a supported Windows build. Once confirmed, close heavy tabs and disable extensions to avoid update conflicts. Now open Edge, click the menu, then Help and Feedback, and choose About Microsoft Edge. This triggers the built-in update check. You're doing this because automatic updates are safer and preserve your settings, and starting here avoids partial installs. Make sure to note any version number shown before proceeding. Once About initiates, Edge will download the update in the background, monitor progress, and let it finish. If download stalls, open Windows Settings Update and Security Windows Update and check for Microsoft Edge updates, or download the offline installer from Microsoft via the installer utility. Use the x64 or x86 choice that matches your system. During install, keep other heavy apps closed to reduce resource contention. After installation completes, you may be prompted to restart the browser. Do that to finalize replacement of files and policies. After restart, return to About to confirm the version number updated. This verifies success. If pages render oddly or extensions misbehave, clear cache and cookies, then restart Edge. This resolves most post-update quirks. If Edge won't open or crashes, go to Settings Apps Microsoft Edge and choose Repair. This restores core files without removing your profile. As a final troubleshooting step, download the offline installer and reinstall. Make sure your profile sync is active, so bookmarks and passwords are preserved before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.